Struggling with neck pain, sore muscles, or tension headaches? What if I told you there's a drug-free, doctor-recommended solution that gives you both heat and ice therapy, all in one? Today, we're testing the Bed Buddy Aromatherapy Heat Pad and Cooling Neck Wrap, a microwaveable miracle that promises fast relief. But does it really work? Let's find out. This wrap isn't your average heating pad. Stuffed with 100% natural grains, herbs, and lavender, it delivers deep, moist heat. Just microwave it for 30 to 90 seconds, depending on your microwave. The flexible design hugs your neck, shoulders, or knees, unlike stiff electric pads. Plus, the soothing lavender scent helps melt stress away. Perfect for stiff necks from long work days, achy shoulders after workouts, chronic pain sufferers avoiding pills. But here's the kicker, it doubles as an ice pack. Toss it in the freezer and the grains stay flexible. No hard, uncomfortable ice blocks. Ideal for migraines and tension headaches, post-injury swelling, cooling down after exercise. After testing it for weeks, here's the truth. Pros: fast relief, no cords, portable, pleasant scent at first. Cons: scent fades over time, not large enough for full back coverage. Pro tip: for stronger heat, wrap it in a damp towel before microwaving. So, is the Bed Buddy wrap worth it? If you want drug-free pain relief that's cheaper than a massage and more versatile than an ice pack, 100% yes. But if you need full back coverage, you might want something bigger. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe for more real-world tests, and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, stay pain-free, and see you next time.